Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have showed you like how you can use your computer vision services using Python. So this is the code. So if you want this code, you can get it from Azure Services, or if you want me to give you the code, please give me a comment in the comment box. So in this video, I'm not going to explore any other services. So in this video, I'm going to explore like how you can store this endpoint and key in Google Colab. So there is a easiest way, guys. So you have to copy this simple endpoint, so this thing I can copy. Okay, so I'm going to store this in vault. Okay, so for that you have to go to this option is available, secrets, right? So to simply click on this secrets and add a new secret. Okay, so I'm clicking this and I'm giving this as endpoint, 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 and you have to give the value. So I have already copied the value, so I'm giving this. Okay, and this key, so this key I'm going to copy this and I'm creating add a new resource, and this key I have to give and I have to provide the key over here. That's it. Okay, so I have given these two credentials in this notebook access and I have to switch this on because I'm going to explore this through my notebook. Okay, so these two things is done. So these things I think I can remove this. I'm removing this. So rather what I can do is, you can see there is two lines provided by Google Colab itself. From google.colab import user data dot get secret name. Okay, so I'm copying these two lines. Okay, so I'm giving the import statement over here. So user data dot secret name, instead of secret name you have to provide endpoint. Okay, so maybe I can just give this as variable a, and I'm going to print this variable a. Okay, so and rest of the things I can remove because these things won't work. So let me do one thing. I can do one thing. I can simply click this and I can provide this in a new line over here. So simply I'm importing this and I'm going to see like whether it is getting the access or not. Okay, so guess you got it right. I'm simply removing the hard-coded API key and endpoint from this code, and I have provided in the vault of key vault of the Google Colab, and I'm going to access this through my notebook. Okay, so this is the objective. So I'm going to hit this run button and let's see whether it is reading fine or not. So yes, so it is running fine. So I think got the access. So I'm removing this. The same thing I can provide it here. Okay, so A is equal to user data dot get endpoint. So this import statement I can keep here, and these two lines I can get here. Okay, so variable a and variable b I'm assigning like I have to give like user data dot get, then I have to get the key. Okay, so these two lines, and see, so I have to assign something in endpoint, right? So I'm giving this endpoint is equal to a and this key is equal to b. That's it. So these two things only I have changed. So in this case, you no need to mention the API key and endpoint in this code. Okay, you can simply execute this code. So A is equal to user data dot get, user data dot get. This is the import statement of Google Colab import user data. User data is already provided. Endpoint A and key this, and this is the image. So the same image I'm using here. Or let me change the image. Okay, let me demo image upload. Let me see whether any sample image is available in this portal or not. Okay, so let me try image and video upload. So think some website is opening, or I can simply search with sample image URL, this stuff, and I can go to image, and in this case I'm going to use some other image. Let me get it some other image. Maybe I can use this. Okay, so let me copy the link address and let me try whether it is opening the image directly or not, and it is loading. Oops, no, sorry, so it is not opening the image directly. So Cloudinary, okay, let me try with some other image. Let me try with this. Okay, copy link address, and I'm going to paste it and check it whether it is opening the image directly or not. Okay, so it is given over here. So let me try with this image. Let me try. So it is taking much time, but still I'm waiting because I have to get a sample image URL. Guys, if you want, you can give the local file URL as well. You can simply upload the file over here and then you can give the URL. So that is also fine. Okay. So let me try with this. I think that URL is not correct. Anyway, let me try with this. Okay, so error 404. So not this image. Maybe I can try with some other image. Let me try with this image. So it is loading. Yeah, so it is a dog's image, and let me try with this image. Okay, so guys, in this code I didn't define my endpoint and API key, right? I have defined this in vault, and I just assigned two variables to this endpoint and API key, and I have assigned this endpoint and API key to A and B. Or else I can do one thing. I can simply assign this endpoint to this, endpoint to this, and key to this. So that will be more simplified code. And this is the URL. This is the URL. Let me check again whether it is opening fine or not. Yeah, it is opening. So this URL I'm going to provide here. Okay, so Control V, and let me run this piece of code. Okay, so a black dog looking up, which is exactly correct. A black dog looking up. So if you go to this image, you can see this image, a black dog looking up. So we are getting the caption of the image from the API key and the Azure endpoint. So this is the way, guys, how you can use the computer vision services through your API key and through Python code. So this is the way. And if you have any doubt or anything, you can give me a comment in the comment box. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and please share my video. And if you have any thoughts, you can give a comment and surely I'll reply to your comment. So see you in the next video. I'll explore some other services from Azure. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.